Hey you guys,
How do we get out of here?
I'm showing
How
you
do we
my
get out of here?
napkin, and I have state testing
I
again
found the outside.
tomorrow.
Straight. I found the outside.
I
Straight.
just had dinner, and I need to clean my room so don't know. I'm about to go take a shower here in my pajamas. I'm wearing this little orange kind of crop top and my black pajama pants.
The other day I was getting my hair done until my mom started messing with me. And today she's getting a massage, so now it's time for me to get my revenge.
What's going on? Are you doing karate or massage?
Okay,
Oh my God, is it not karate?
got to need.
I connected my sister's phone to my laptop.
I just want to see
So I use these two lotions. I use
So I checked my
this for some of my
TikTok, see if
eczema.
you liked my video. Thank you. So what are you doing tonight?
Yeah, you can see that.
She has no
Are you
idea.
going to that party tonight? Are you going to that party tonight? Who are you sending that to?
How are you watching me right now?
Who are you sending it to?
Such a weirdo. What the heck?
Come on. Let's do it, man.
So I'm using this lotion as well. So when I have dry skin,
Wait, turn it off! Oh my God! Alright, Mom, put your face in the center of the circle. Okay, just like this. Now tell me, anybody in the world, who do you want to be?
Elvis Presley.
so I got this
Choice,
from
Elvis Presley, just like that. Let's create it. You're gonna become Elvis
So
Presley.
it
Can you believe
is
it? 3,
this
2,
sweet
1.
sunshine.
Let's see it.
What the frick? What is this Elvis shit? So ugly.
My sister's always walking on my dad's back, and today I wanted a massage, so let's see if she'll give me one.
What? No.
Sexy boozy. Walk on my back. Hello.
Okay.
Look at this dude.
Hey,
Will my Arab mom be supportive if I got someone pregnant?
I have to just show you this.
alright, so let's go take my shower. Okay, so I just got into the shower. And I'm going to show you all the things that I like to use before I take my shower. So, I mix this up with something, but I don't remember. But normally I would just use this cocoa butter and Shea moisturizing body wash. I have 2 body scrubs. It's wet. Hold on. Anyways, so I have this Dove body scrub. It is exfoliating body polish, brown sugar and cocoa butter. And then I also have this Dr. Teal Shea Sugar Scrub, shea butter and almond oil with essential oils. This is it. But I really like to use this one because it's more full and it's like way better than the other one. And that's really all I use except for my scented lotions and my acne-free face wash. So let's go take my shower and I'll be back as soon as I finish taking my shower. Okay, so I finished taking a shower and I'm in my
Like
fit.
any kind of custom, like
so
normal, natural,
Whatever. Here are the pants.
Why are you scared? Come on, you know, handsome guy.
Alright,
This morning
so
my mom was cleaning, and I thought it'd be funny
I'm
if
gonna
I
go
took a bunch
clean
of
up my
cats and
room
maybe
and refill my water. So I have a plate and 2 cups. Plate was from earlier today. And the cup was also from earlier today. Okay, time for my skincare. Meet me in my light. Where's the brightness? There you go. Okay, so I already took off my makeup as I got home from school. I had to wipe my face again because I only use my acne wash when I have my acne. But I do wash my face, but it just ran out of my face wash. So I'm going to buy some tomorrow. So, yeah. So I've wiped my face. Now it's time to get started. So I'm going to be using this oil-free facial moisturizer. It's Aquatic Beauty. That's where I got it from. Or, no, I actually got it from Walmart, but it's made from Aquatic Beauty. All I do is 2 pumps. My skincare routine can be way longer, but I always make sure to not use a lot so that my skin isn't like super oily or anything, and my pores do not get clogged. And I'm not sure if this is oil-free because my face is shiny. Sometimes I use this deep moisturizer body cream. It is made with Vaseline, as you can see, it's from the Vaseline company, and it is healing jelly, like it's for your dry skin and everything. All I do is put this under my eyes and on my nose. Now let's use this. It isn't the exact same product that I used because I used all of this, but not almost all of it. This is the Shea Moisture 100 Virgin Coconut Oil. It's daily hydration. It has hyaluronic acids in it, so but it still has hyaluronic acid in it. But when I started to run low, I actually added aloe vera, this healing jelly, that lotion, and that was it. Because my skin is very sensitive and I still have my sunburn from spring break somehow, so yeah. It is 9:04. Alright, I'll be back once I finish my skincare. Okay, so I wasn't able to journal today, but it will be fine. I'll journal in the morning when I wake up. So, I refilled my water bottle.
What's up, Breezy? Why you are Breezy?
It's lotion.
Breezy is lotion.
Okay, anyways, yeah, so I have filled up my water bottle, so good night. I don't know if I'm gonna post this today, so yeah. Bye!